How you doing, everyone? My name's Crazy Ann Mechanic. Welcome back to the channel. So today we're working on my corner lights. We're just gonna do we're gonna get these finish getting these installed. But there they are. This looks pretty good. They got a top and bottom. I got the nuts on there. Looks like we got this all plugged in. Looks like you just plug that in, screw the socket in there. 9/16s that hold all those on there. 9/16s that hold it all on there. Could you hold the camera? Just show me screwing these down. I'm gonna try to screw these down quickly, guys. And oh yeah, that would be even. Oh yeah. Okay, perfect. That's even better. All right, he's gonna show that, and we will show me screwing it down. Oh, yeah, glasses. Oh, I got them from Amazon. These are the lights we're looking at. These are supposed to be for my truck. Oh, right here. Beautiful. That is beautiful. So I got them off of Amazon. They come in a nice box. There's the package right there. They come in beautiful. Extra lights. We had these lights in there. That was in there before. That's the tool I need. That's what I need. You will not see me install this grill at all. Oh yeah. Yep, got tape there. And that's one. There you go. That's the bad one. That's why we're changing it. So I've changed these a million times. I'm gonna have them hold it real quick. I'm gonna get these tightened up real quick, guys, and we're gonna get this done. So I kind of don't want to be doing this all night. Again, be careful. You're tightening plastic, so something like that, perfect. Don't tighten these down. This is plastic. Like that, perfect. Because there's a wire right there. Okay, something like that. I'm going to go ahead and pull that out. Perfect. And I'm just going to tighten this down. Perfect. Just like that. Perfect. Perfect. It's a little loose, but I'm going to set that. Okay, I'm going to go to the other side. Again, don't crank down on these, guys. Please, don't go crazy. When you put these in there, don't crank down on these. Okay, something like that. Whoops. Oh. Well, that was a crack, but I hope that was just the plastic. No, but these, like, this is the 9/16. Perfect. Okay, 9/16. They don't like me for some reason. Okay, take that off. Okay, woo, stop. Don't, Jesus. Stop. That's when you gotta stop. Perfect. Okay, let's show you the results. Perfect. All right, let's show you the results. There they are. Here, I'm gonna let Mr. Green over here peel this side off, and that's it. You can go and peel these off real quick. They're easy to grab. Just the plastic. Ooh.
Okay.
Ooh. Whoops. You gotta show him what he's doing. Not cool. Okay, guys, I'm gonna put you on hold, and I'm gonna go install this. We'll come back to you when we're ready to show you the brightness. That's what we're trying to find. I've seen these before. One time. This is only one guy put these on, and I only seen one video, but it's not very long. So I'm gonna put you on hold. I'm gonna go put this in. It's just a few bolts, some lights, and I'm gonna come right back to you. I'll catch you guys in a brief. Sorry guys, I could not show you well. You can see we got that rotten stuff coming our way. That's not gonna. Started raining on my crazy butt. Yep, it's raining. I'll show you real quick so you guys get to see it. You guys are entitled. Everything's just half mocked up. I'll deal with this tomorrow. Button it back up. Oh yeah. You can't speak how bright they are. Yeah. Worth it. The headlights are kind of washing it out, but there you guys go. Okay, I'm gonna go inside. It's starting to rain. Okay. Before it rains harder, I'm going inside. There you guys go. I did it for you. Out in that damn rain. Showing you guys those cool lights. There you guys go. Those suckers are bright. Woo! No more of those. Definitely. Throw those things in the trash. And you guys have yourself a good one. Peace out. Hope you guys liked the video. Hit the subscribe button down below if you like this video. Let me know what else you want to see. Don't worry, we have more cool videos coming this way. I will show you guys that later on down the road. And we're going to be pulling my motor out of my Jeep, okay? So peace out again. See you guys in the next one.